Picked up the telephone, all she heard was dial tone. She really thought she heard it ring this time. She said, what am I thinking? I must be only dreaming. Or maybe it's 100 times it crossed my mind. Just tonight, she said, maybe I miss your loving. She said, maybe I miss your kiss just a little bit. Well, maybe I miss your body lying right next to mine. Maybe I miss your touch a little too much. Tossing and turning, her skin still burning from the fire in his hands. Running on empty, she needs somebody, but somebody wouldn't understand. And the telephone rings, maybe I miss your loving. Maybe I miss your kiss just a little bit. Maybe I miss your body lying right next to mine. Maybe I miss your touch a little too much. Talked about Savannah,